In this video, I will be doing a book review and a lesson review by the book name The New 1 Minute Manager by Mr. Ken. I was not aware of this book. I was not aware about author. I was scrolling through my Amazon Kindle account. I saw this book on my recommendation list. I saw that this book is available on Amazon Audible. I decided to go for Amazon Audible. It took me 1.5 hours to complete this particular book. And this book turned out to be one of the best books I read this particular month and week. The reason is this book is full of 1 minute advice that you can implement to be a better manager or to manage, or if you are at a senior level, if you want to manage small particular things, this is the right book for you. The lessons are super easy and super easy to implement. I have done some note making. Let me share a few notes with you. The first important point from this book is you have to appreciate each and every person who is under you, which is called 1 minute praise. If someone new got hired and he or she is reporting to you, make it a point that if you find anything good, appreciate him or her. Rather than pinpointing his or her mistake, you should be appreciating one good thing that you will find in them. The second important point that I have find in this book is 1 minute schedule, which means that if someone new is reporting to you, sit with him, set his daily goal, weekly goal, timely goal, hourly goal. Ask him to set his or her daily goal, share their daily goal with them, and then give feedback. And because majority of time we don't know what are our goals, if our manager can help us with our goal, it will be a big boost to new employee and his productivity level will increase. The third point which I like from this particular book is 1 minute redirection time, which means that if any employee who is reporting to you has done some mistake, some blunder, rather than shouting on him or her, you sit with him or her, ask him to what are the things that went wrong, what are the things that they will be working upon, how they have planned to fix this particular problem, and then ask them to come up with an action plan to rectify this current problem, or so that this problem will not arise in future. In that manner, employee does not feel timid or guilty, and that conversation will be productive. In that manner, if you follow 1 minute praise, you follow 1 minute differential time after employee do any mistake, you do 1 minute goal setting, 1 hourly goal setting with an employee, he or she will be much more accountable. And in that manner, these are my three top lessons from this particular book. I seriously recommend you to go through this book, make points, and implement the same in your corporate and office life. If you like the video, click on like, comment, and subscribe my channel if you are a new viewer. Thank you so much.